Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel, and more importantly, hope you're all having a fabulous start to your new year. I've just arrived at the Sheridan Skyline in Heathrow, where I'm staying here for the night, which is, well, technically my pre-travel day. I'm flying off to Las Vegas tomorrow with British Airways, so little solo fun adventure. Have a mad booked week as well. I'm staying for 9 days, staying in the Excalibur Hotel and in Mandalay Bay, and I've got tickets for RuPaul's Drag Race, MJ Cirque du Soleil, Mariah Carey, Shania Twain, and Janet Jackson twice, and God knows what other mischief I'm going to get up to, but I'm so excited to go. It's like one of those dream places you always think about going, and I had such a good time when I saw Janet Jackson in the O2 in London in September last year. I decided, why not go see her in Vegas? So yeah, off I go. I'm staying in the Sheridan Skyline, as I said, which is a Marriott hotel. So it's just along Bath Road as you come up to Heathrow. So I'm going to get some sleep for the evening before I fly off with BA tomorrow. Going from Terminal 5 at 12:30 and flying Premium Economy. So yeah, super excited. So I'll give you a little room tour before I get to sleep. So this is a little room tour of my room, Sheridan Skyline. Just going to have a look at the bathroom first. Go nice, clean bathroom. Me. Get a nice bath with some fancy looking wash and a shower. Standard for these hotels. Got some nice storage, loads of storage. You've got your standard iron and your ironing board, and your wardrobes, and what have we got in here? Oh, it's stiff. So you've got a little fridge. Lovely. You've got a fan and a safe. Nice desk area. Doing some work there earlier before I logged off. Never get any peace. There's a little chair area. Nice bottle of water there, complimentary. But they do charge £15 if you take the bottle. Why would you? So you've got your lamp, lovely bed, very comfortable, nice big telly, typical Freeview situation. So yeah, plenty of storage, very nice room. And this cost me £300 with 9 nights parking through Holiday Extras, which I then got £50 cash back. So yeah, not bad at all. This will do me for the night. I'm always blur after a long drive, but just took me about 2.5 hours to get here from West-super-Mare, which wasn't too bad. Our roads are pretty quiet. Stopped at Membury, as we do, had a whopper, got in the car and kept going again. So check my car in, you put your registration at reception, pop another card in your car so the lovely parking attendant doesn't give you a ticket, and then you're all done. I pre-booked my pickup tomorrow, so it's £9.90 for one person with one large suitcase. So they'll be taking me up to the British Airways Terminal 5. My flight's at 12:30, so got plenty of time to have a little mooch around the airport. I want to get some sunglasses as well, so I'll see if they've got anything nice there. Have a mooch around duty free. And I'm going, my seat's Premium Economy, so I pre-booked my seat. Sat at the back of the plane, which would be lovely. Didn't really enjoy being sat in the middle when we flew to New York. So yeah, super excited. When I get to Vegas, I'm staying in the Excalibur, which I booked because it looked like a Disney castle. I thought it looked really cute. Mixed reviews from my friends, especially you, Steph. Yeah, some people not loving it, so I'm hoping it's going to be really cute. I'm also staying in Mandalay Bay, which is the other end of the MGM sort of side of the strip. So yeah, I'm going to have a good old fun time. So I'm going to go to bed now, get some sleep, and I'll see you in the morning for travel day. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. I'm all packed and ready to go. Just finishing the final little bits in my room, and then I'm getting my Uber across to Terminal 5 before I go to Las Vegas. I got plenty of time. My flight's at 12:30. Getting my Uber at 9. So yeah, really good. Had an amazing night's sleep. The bed here is super comfortable. The pillows, I would buy them if I knew where they're from. Had a really weird morning though. About 8 a.m. I was just getting out of the shower, and the housekeeper knocks on the door and says, I clean room. And I'm like, excuse me? She says, I clean room. And I said, no, you don't clean the room at 8 a.m. So she left, but yeah, very strange. But yeah, super excited to go. Super excited. Oh yeah, God. If you notice, I've got little black eyes here. I had this little treatment called Lumi Eyes, which is essentially salmon sperm that they inject into your face to make your eye bags disappear. So yeah, a little bit bruised. But yep, let's go to Heathrow. Hi guys, I've just gone through security. It took me about 5 minutes to drop my bag off. Royal Traveller Plus with British Airways is really good if you've got Premium Economy. You just zip through the line. So had a mooch around duty free, so busy. I mean, just insanely busy, but morning in the airport, isn't it? So just announced my boarding gate, which is in B42. So I took the little internal tram thing across to section B. So just gonna wait for my boarding gate and then we'll get on the plane. Hi guys, I've just checked into my room in the Excalibur Hotel. It's really nice, really big room, and checking was easy. I did it all on the app. Just upload your information, they verify you, and then way to go. So no waiting at the massive line at the lobby. The hotels here are absolutely massive. So yeah, I just found my way up here and got in my room. So give you a little room tour. It's 1:30 England time, so I'm a bit wiped. So I'm gonna have a little power nap and a shower. Can the rest of me, I'm off to see Mariah Carey tonight at the Dolby Live, which will be amazing. Third row seat there. Flight was lovely. I had such a nice experience with British Airways. Took really good care of everybody. Food was lovely. I couldn't fault it, and then came straight out of the airport, got into the Uber line, booked my car, and I'm here. So yeah, a little bit overwhelmed because I always wanted to come to Vegas, and now I'm here. It's a bit like bleh, you know, you're here. So yeah, give you a little room tour, unpack, and then get going to Mariah. So there's a little look at my room. I've got a what they call it, a luxury 2-queen room. This is the bathroom. It's a lovely, nice sized bathroom. Hello. Nice and big, nice big shower. Yeah, it's really nice. Got some toiletries, hairdryer, nice big sink. I'm really impressed with the room size. This is the bedroom there. So I've got 2 queen beds, some little paintings. Nice big telly, lots of storage. Oh, I didn't show the wardrobes, did I? So we've got some nice nice big wardrobe space there. There's a little table area here, and a mirror. some aircon, which is on the go. If you can hear it, it's a bit noisy, I apologise. Little chair to rest my tired legs. And there's the view from my room. So I'm in the resort tower. As you can see, the W and Mandalay Bay, where I'm staying later on the trip. But yeah, what a lovely, lovely view. I'm really happy with that. And I'm just obsessed with these castle vibes. It's just super cute. But yeah, it's just coming to life now. It's getting dark. It's just gorgeous. I've literally got 2 hours until I have to go find Dolby Live and go to Mariah, which I think is about a 25-30 minute walk. So yeah, really excited to go there. It's just really surreal being here. It's just amazing. So yeah, go unpack my stuff, go have a shower, get ready, and off to see Mimi. Just walking up to the MGM now. Dolby Live. How gorgeous is it here? I don't even appreciate it when I got here in the daytime, but it's just stunning. It's just stunning. Wow. Lovely shot of the Excalibur. Isn't it cute? We have to go all the way down here. Seems pretty quiet so far. The casino is really busy, but loads of cars up there, so I'm sure when I get up here it's gonna get mad. But yeah, hopefully get me bearings, know where I am. Oh yeah, you can see her there. Mimi. Here's the front of the Excalibur here. I went in through the Uber exit earlier. Yeah, I love it. There's the big roller coaster, the Hotel New York. And I have to get over there. So I think I have to go up this stairs and that way. Arrived, just got to go and check in and then find my seat. So I got to walk to the casino, find Dolby Live. So I'm going to go do that now. Hi guys, just got back to my room, realised I hadn't signed off this video. Had just the most amazing night. What a great way to kick off the trip to Vegas. Mariah was amazing, one of the best vocals I've ever heard. She did all of that catalogue, sort of short sequence clips of everything, and all the effort level, the choreography that you expect was just fabulous. Only takes about 10 minutes to get to the Dolby Live MGM section of the strip from my hotel. You need to figure out, there's loads of bridges and stuff that connect everything, and figuring it out was a bit of a mare, but got there. But yeah, don't know how I'm still standing because I have literally been up for a day now. So please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed my little travel day, and I'll see you for tomorrow for more Vegas fun. Bye.